I said I wasn't going to do it. I said I wasn't going to do it. I was not going to do a Christmas decor haul. But here we are. Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Aria. Long time no see. I know. But today we are doing a Christmas decor haul because we're about to start Christmas decorating. I am a little late to the game this year. There's been a lot going on and we're just going to cut to the chase. I have a few things to share from a few stores. I didn't go overboard, but you might look at this and say, well, you kind of did. Well, I bought a few things, but I'll be honest with you. I wasn't really loving a lot that I saw in the stores this year. I didn't do a whole lot of ordering online. I'm not here for it. I love the things I already have, but I did add a few things and I'm going to share those now. And I'm going to go ahead and tell you, this is going to be a little bit all over the place kind of haul. I don't have things organized by where or anything like that. We're just going to get into it because I have lots that I want to get done and lots to do. So let's just get into it. If you love all things holiday decor, any kind of decor, decorating in general, then stick around, click that subscribe button. I will have more videos coming. I promise. Let's get into it. I saw her yesterday at one of my local Targets. And I said, you know what? I think this would be cute. I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to keep it or not. It depends. I haven't started decorating yet, but it depends. I cannot find another one. It's the only one that's a little bit near me. So we're going to see. I like it, but I have no idea if I'm going to use it or not. It's sold out online. So this is one of those treasure hunt finds you might need to see if you can find in your local Target, but this is from the Studio McGee line. And yeah, we'll see if we keep her. Also from Target, I got this kitchen mat. I thought this would be really cute. I'm always trying to incorporate more greens into my holiday decor. So this is just a kitchen mat that I'm going to put in front of my sink. Last year, I used these really cute Black Santa sheets that I got from Home Goods, TJ Maxx, one of those. And they were really cute, but they weren't really good quality. And so I got rid of those at the end of the season. I decided I was in Target recently and I saw these and I was like, I like those. I love the print. I love that it's more green than red. And I think it'll go with my Stuart plaid comforter set that I already have. I think it would go with that. So I got this for my bed. The kids still have Christmas bedding that if they want to, they can. But here's what I like about this. So I am a woman of a particular age. I don't want to sleep in flannel sheets. These are smooth sateen sheets, so I'll take that. Yes, you know, I have a thing about a Black Santa, so I got this guy. I saw him in Hobby Lobby, and I don't know where I'm going to use it or not because I have a lot of Black Santa art now, but when you see Black Santa art in Hobby Lobby, you buy it. If it's done tastefully, I don't know where he's going to go. I can find a place for him. I'm hoping I can find a home for him, but I had to get him. I just really think he's cute. I was in Walmart yesterday and I've seen this art online from My Texas House and I was like, that's really cute, but I don't need it. But then when you're in Walmart and you actually see it, you're like, and it was the last one, I was like, let me just get it and I'll see if I can use it. And if I can't use it, I take it back. But it's really, really cute. So I'm going to see what we can do with it. If you are new to me as decorating, hi there, hello, welcome. I have a slight obsession with nutcrackers. And last year I got some of these oversized nutcracker ornaments from Hobby Lobby. And I wish that I had found more and they were very hard to come by last year. So this year I did go and pick up a few more. I picked up one of each. This is just one of the guys. They are very nice and oversized. And I think they just make a really big statement on my tree. So although I don't really have a theme this year, nutcrackers are always part of my theme. They're always part of what I do. So I got a few more of them. Speaking of nutcrackers, I saw this one at Hobby Lobby as well. It is a music box. Well, not a music box, but you can turn them and he makes music. So I got him. I thought he was cute to add to my nutcracker collection. On one of my early trips to Hobby Lobby this season, I don't even know, that might have been in one of my last times that I've vlogged anything or shared anything on YouTube. This might have been like in July, August, or September. I saw these. I had to get them. They are candle holders, but again, like I said, I have a nutcracker obsession. It is what it is. It's what I like. So I had to get them, and I'm glad because I haven't seen them, although I haven't really been looking for them, but I don't think I've seen them since then. So, you know, this is why you go and you shop Hobby Lobby Christmas decor in the summertime, because you never know what you're going to find. Speaking of nutcrackers, this is from Target, and $5, cheap and cheerful, but I got them because I saw the nutcracker, and hello. So I will be having him either in my bathroom or in the kitchen, but he's cute, and it comes with a second one here. That's fine. I just got it for this. It's not very often that I can resist getting one of these from Hearth & Hand with each launch that they have. So I just got some more pot holders. I'm always going to be partial to the red and green traditional plaids of the holiday season, but you can never have too many of these anyway, right? I picked this up from the Dollar Spot, I believe. Yeah, this was from the Dollar Spot, and I got this like over a month ago. I wasn't 100% sure if I was going to use it, and I still am not 100% sure, but I'm thinking this would be nice for my hot cocoa bar. So we'll see. But Target Dollar Spot, I've tried to limit buying things from the Target Dollar Spot when it comes to holidays, because a lot of the times that you get things because they're like, oh, this is so inexpensive, this is cute, I can use it this way. But in reality, a lot of the times it's just junk and that you end up getting rid of like in a year or so, and it doesn't really give you joy. So I've learned to limit myself when I almost never even stop through there. I just go right past it. Also from Target, I don't need any more mugs. I don't even drink coffee. I don't drink coffee. Like, I drink coffee maybe like once. Literally, I probably have had 3 or 4 coffees since June. I don't drink coffee. We have a coffee maker. We don't use the coffee maker. We don't drink coffee, but it doesn't mean I'm not going to get another mug. If I see a nutcracker mug, I'm going to probably get it. And I did, because he's black. And I love that. So I had to get him. I saw him at Target. We were actually at the beach, and this is in October. We were at the beach for my brother's birthday, and I was in Target, and I saw him. I was like, I got to get him, because I have no idea if I'm going to see him in my local Target. You never know. So I had to get him, and I'm glad I did. He's the cutest. I have seen him, by the way, but you never know. Also from Target, I got these ceramic houses that I just thought were really cute. I don't know how I'm going to style them, and I didn't want to leave them there, because guess what? I got these a few weeks ago, and I have not seen them return in any of my local Targets. So that's why sometimes you just gotta, you gotta take the chance. If you see it and you want it, you get it, and then you see if it works for you. Not sure if this is gonna work, but I did, same thing, pick this up. This is just a unlit tree topper from Target. It's $5. This is for my bedroom tree. That I'm working on that tree, and there's a lot of things that I did recently pick up for that tree that I'm not going to show because it's upstairs. When you see that tree decorated, I'll point out what's what. We'll see. That tree is having a hard time coming together. I think I have something similar to this from last year, but this is also from the My Texas House line from Walmart. A nice deer candle holder. I thought he would be really cute. I think I have something similar, but we'll see whenever I pull my bins out. We're working on that. Okay. I was in Hobby Lobby. I really don't even shop at Hobby Lobby like that, but I was in Hobby Lobby, let's say a month ago, and I found one of these ornaments in the single ornament space where, you know, there's normally like a lot of the same ornaments. And I went to other Hobby Lobbies to find it, and I could not find it. Well, I went to one other Hobby Lobby, because as much as I really wanted it, I wasn't really willing to do a whole bunch of trekking around the triangle area trying to find this one ornament. I mean, I said, yes, I love this guy, but I only found one. She said, come back. Now, I've never heard anybody from Hobby Lobby say this. She said, come back, because we have so much stuff in the back that most of it is not even out on the floors yet. And this was like a month ago. I said, okay. I happened to be back in there earlier this week. I was like, let me just check, because I had to go past there anyway to go someplace else. So I'm just going to check. And I'm glad I did, because I got these guys. How cute. How cute are they? You may say they're not that cute. I don't care. They are the cutest little nutcracker guys. And of course, I got one. Well, I don't remember what my original one is, where he's somewhere around here. I don't remember what color outfit he had on. However, I picked up 2 of each of these. So I'm really excited that I was able to find them so that I no longer need to go back to Hobby Lobby. Almost ever in life, but at least not until next year. This, I wasn't sure, but I remember last year that Joann's had a similar board, but I think he had the etchings in to make the full gingerbread. And I'm not sure what styling direction I'm gonna go in my kitchen, but I decided if I decide to go in this direction, I wanted to go ahead and pick him up. Just a little cutting board in the gingerbread shape. I thought it would be really cute to style. I do have a lot of gingerbread stuff, so that's why I was like, I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that way, but we'll see, we'll see. If you were here last year, you're like, Aria, didn't you get one of these last year? And the answer is yes. But my candy cane, something else, a couple things on it broke. And I was like, you know what? I'm here, I see it, it's half off. I'm just gonna grab another one. Last year I was in Hobby Lobby and I was doing a vlog and I found this Black Santa container that I would have loved. However, there was two things about it that I didn't like. One, as a Black Santa, they gave him a blue eye. Didn't love that. Two, I would have preferred him to have a fully white beard. On YouTube, I didn't get any issues. I didn't get any hate or anything like that for having this opinion. On TikTok, oh, that was an interesting time. I posted that video, I posted a snippet of that on TikTok, and that video, lots of nasty, negative comments. So when I saw this in there the other day, I said, yay, somebody listened. Because as you can see, he has a brown eye. Now, it is brown, not black, and so that's kind of weird. That's not the point. The point is he doesn't have a blue eye. And a lot of people are like, well, you could just paint. I'm not crafty, not even in the least bit crafty. So no, I'm not painting anything. I'm not gonna buy it if I don't love it. And I'm just not a DIY kind of girl. So I don't mind the grayness in his beard now, but I think I was just so put off by that blue eye. And a lot of people were like, well, my grandpa has a blue eye. Okay, that's great. That's an anomaly. That's not a normal occurrence. Like it's not the majority. The majority of Black people do not have blue eyes. So I just want my Santa Claus, who, yes, I understand, is Santa Claus, but I would like it if he didn't have the blue eye. All that to say, I'm very pleased that I now have the Santa canister that I wanted last year, and he's really cute. And I posted this on TikTok too, and I'm getting a lot of good positive commentary. Thank you. We just have a few things from Kirkland's. I was in there the other day, and I do have a birthday coupon to use. My birthday was earlier in this month, and they had some things on sale. So normally on my birthday, I feel like my birthday coupon is normally like $5 off or something like that, but this is 20%. It gave me 20% off. And then I still had the things that were on sale. So I was like, okay, yes. One of the things that I got, now again, mind you, I didn't need to get a new Christmas mat because I still liked the one from last year, which I think was a Black Santa. But when it comes to Christmas, I like a lot of things, but tied are my love for Black Santa and my love for Nutcrackers. So I don't know which one's gonna win this year, but I had to get this. I had to get it. Not that everything left is Nutcracker themed, but I think everything left is Nutcracker themed. I mean, and I want you to know that I did limit myself because there was Nutcracker plates and Nutcracker everything that I was really close to getting, but I was like, let's not Aria said, let's not go overboard with the Nutcrackers. But I did get this. I just think, I mean, come on. And then I love the representation. This like represents like my actual family. Like we have people of every shade and color here, which is the same thing as my actual family. So I love that. Now this combined my love for Nutcrackers and Christmas plaid. This is a wreath sash, which I had never seen before, but I was walking through and I saw it. And I saw that they had my initial available, so I had to get it. Look, it's my Nutcrackers, but they're on a glass. So this is a set of 4. I'm strongly debating getting just another set. I think we're hosting Christmas this year. And I'm hoping it's the first of many years of us being entertainers. Because we don't entertain. But I'm hoping it's the first of many years. So I would love to like just have a nice little collection of Christmas drinkware, glassware, serverware, all this kind of wares. In a similar vein, I got the shot glasses. We don't even drink like that, but I still wanted the shot glasses. I got 2 sets of these chargers. I thought they would be really pretty. So here's the thing. I've gone back and forth on should I get like Christmas plates or anything like that, because that would be really nice for hosting and entertaining. And I'm deciding I'm not going to do that. We're probably going to end up using like paper plates and stuff like that, because on Christmas, do you really want to be doing a bunch of extra dishes because of plates? No. Like we'll do the dishes for the things that we're cooking with, but for plates, no. So a nice charger and a nice paper plate on top of it. Dixie, more than likely. You know, that'll work for me. But I got 2 sets of these. These are really pretty. Final thing that I got is just this really beautiful green velvet table runner. This one is 108 inches. So I think that'll fit my table even when it's extended, because my table does have an extension to it. I will say, I debated, because of course, you know, they had a Nutcracker table runner, and I was like, well, will this work? Like, I was thinking of layering it, but I was like, Aria, you're doing too much. You're doing too much. Which is crazy to say. So, that is pretty much everything, with the exception of a couple of things that I got for my tree upstairs. My tree upstairs is new. I've shared that in a reel, not a reel. Well, a reel too, but it's also in a short here on YouTube. I'm going to be decorating that probably today. So let's talk really quick about what to expect moving forward when it comes to this year's Christmas decorating. I'm going to keep this short and sweet. I don't have the capacity to film decorating with me's. I just don't. And because I feel like I'm behind the game, Thanksgiving me next week, I know majority of people either decorate the day after Thanksgiving or they decorate the beginning of December. Well, hey, those are both pretty much next week. So because of that, I don't think that you're going to get much benefit of watching me decorate. So I've decided that I'm going to decorate as I can, as I normally would have prior to starting YouTube, which is I would decorate day, night, didn't matter. I would decorate and then I would take the pictures for my blog. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna decorate and then I'm gonna take you through room tours of the different spaces that are decorated so that you can still see how I decorated, but then we can talk about what I use. We can talk about my thought process. We can do the same things we would do if I was decorating with you. I just don't have to worry about, oh, do I have enough lighting? Is it cloudy today? Is it raining today? Are people in my way in my household? So I hope that's okay with you, because that's what we're going to do. I do spend 99% of my time when I'm dealing with anything, filming, editing, anything like that, it's on TikTok, because that's just where I spend most of my time right now, is on TikTok. So you're welcome to come over, but I understand everybody doesn't have a TikTok or want to use TikTok. Same thing with Instagram or Facebook. So if YouTube is where you want to stay, I understand that. I would love to get more to where I'm in the habit of making YouTube videos again. It's just capacity. It just hasn't worked out. So that's what you can expect. I am decorating pretty much as we speak. Main tree, we decorate that together as a family, and my daughter will be coming home tomorrow for the Thanksgiving break. So we will be decorating that tomorrow, and then that I can start to share more and more decor. So I'm sorry I've been MIA, and I did decorate a little bit for fall. It's just, there's just too much going on. So thank you so much for watching. I have more coming, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, guys.